Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to get more themes on Google Slides, including the built-in ones, the hidden theme import option, and a couple places where you can grab free professional themes. So yeah, let's get started. So first, open any Google Slides file. You can start a new blank slide or open an existing project because themes can be applied anytime, even after you've added content. On the right side, you should see the Themes panel, but if it isn't showing, just click the theme button in the toolbar at the top. That opens the full default theme collection instantly. Google Slides includes more than a dozen built-in themes you can try out. You can scroll through them and click any option to preview it on your slide, and if you don't like how it looks, you can switch again. Your text and images stay untouched. Now here's the part most people miss. At the bottom of the Themes panel, you'll see an option called Import Theme. When you click it, you can pull themes from any other Google Slides file you have in your drive. So if you downloaded a template before, or your school or workplace shared one, you can just grab it from here and apply it to your project. You can also use the Google Template Gallery. From the Google Slides homepage, click the Template Gallery button at the top. You'll find business templates, educational slide sets, portfolios, and lots of modern layouts. These are all completely free, and if you want even more options, third-party sites are great. Places like SlidesGo, Slides Carnival, and Canva's export tools offer free Google Slides themes. Just download the Slides version, upload it to your drive, and then import the theme through the Import Theme option. Once you've picked a theme, just choose the file and click Select. Google Slides will instantly bring over all the theme colors, fonts, and layouts into your presentation. And that's it. That's how you get more themes on Google Slides, whether you're using the built-in designs or importing your own. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the next tutorial if you want more quick Google Tools guides.